With Club 3D and cards like 270X, 280X Queen, and 290 Royal Ace, you're gonna have all the cards in your hand to win at any game. Click on the link in the description below for more details. Hello everyone, this is Dimitri with Canucks, and we want to give you a quick overview of Phanteks' latest enclosure as part of their Enthoo series. This is the Enthoo EVOLV. People asked for it, and here it is, the smallest chassis we've seen from Phanteks yet, designed for mini-ITX and micro-ITX systems. We're looking at a $129 price tag for the black and $10 premium for the white version of the case. And yes, they are starting to catch up to the prices of the competition. But given we have full aluminum exterior, those who want only the best in build quality will certainly get their money's worth with the EVOLV, as everything from the removable panels to the steel internal frame is built extremely well. So good luck finding anything to flex, there's absolutely no chance. The side window is slightly tinted, that serves well to reveal the hardware inside, and also their staple, the Phanteks logo, peeking through, just beautiful. The toolless side panels swivel to open, so you can start with your assembly nice and quick. The side I/O ports are independently attached to the frame, as to not interfere with any cabling work once closing the panel. Of course, side button placement is not ideal, as this will limit user orientation and therefore access to those ports as well. The EVOLV is well equipped for airflow out of the box with a large 200mm front fan, with other options available of course, such as 240 or 280mm radiators at the front. There's a 140mm exhaust fan included at the rear, and plenty of mounting strips at the top for exhaust fans and radiators. Now you are looking at a fully dust-proof design with a large front filter, bottom power supply filter, and a built-in mesh on the top exhaust ports of the top panel. Now Phanteks did manage to find a spot for an optical drive. Of course, this is optional. It is located at the top rear of the chassis, where I could see this, access being limited and inconvenient. And once inside, the spacious interior is well divided into chambers, very much to what we've come to expect from Phanteks, with a side drive bracket for both mechanical and 2.5-inch drives, plus it may be used to mount water cooling hardware. Now the micro-ITX form factor would allow dual GPU setup, no problem, and building a system into the EVOLV will come with no surprises, as appropriate rubber grommets are seen spread around the motherboard tray. And looking in the back confirms the fact of what should be hassle-free routing with Velcro straps to trap your cables. There's also a fan hub with PWM support for direct fan control off your motherboard, and an SSD bracket with dual placement. Power supply along with two drive caddies are placed in the bottom chamber for proper separation of components and also simplify your cable work. Plus the drive cage is totally removable for compatibility with longer power supply units. Also, the front of the EVOLV has an LED line that users can interchange the LED from red, blue, green or white depending on your build, and we'll showcase all of them in our full review to come. Until then, we'd love to hear your thoughts on this latest introduction from Phanteks. Are you happy with the design, the internal layout, and what are your thoughts on the pricing of the Enthoo EVOLV? Just keep in mind that the full aluminum exterior is definitely one of the dominant factors of this price point. And make sure you're subscribed to be notified when our full review of the Enthoo EVOLV from Phanteks comes out. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.